Pad 11. This is the 8-frame colony. I was in this 2 weeks, week and a half ago, and the colony did not appear to have a laying queen. What it did have is indications that it was set up for a queen, and I believe it swarmed and requeened itself, and there were spots for the queen to lay, but no sign of a queen in it. So what I'm going to do today is just go through the colony and check to see whether or not they actually have a queen. It's one of those things this time of year that you need to be patient on, and it's pretty common for a colony to look laissez-faire, and you find out that if you're patient, you'll find out they have a queen. But you got to check and make sure. So what I'm looking for is any signs of brood for the colony. Now, one of the things I note is there's not a lot going on at the entrance, not a lot of bees coming and going, and the bad news is I do not see any signs of pollen coming in, which would be a sure sign that they're trying to feed bees. Now the question is, how will their behavior be and what will be going on? I pulled this frame because it's one that I gave them recently and there's nothing going on with it. I don't know what I'm going to find in this top box. I suspect I'm probably going to have to go in the bottom box. I'm hoping to find some capped brood in here, and that my suspicion that I didn't have a queen or was on the cusp of having a queen was right. And look at that. There you go. Okay, so this colony that was queenless a couple of weeks ago obviously has a queen now. So it requeened itself. And while it was stalled for a little while, it will get restarted here. Now, let me look at this next frame. I don't know that I love the pattern that I see from this queen. Well, it's okay. This is a Kelly F frame, or some sort of foundationless frame, I think. Oh no, it's not. It's got wires, but it looks like somehow the wires got knocked out. They're not down in the slots. So that's good. I didn't have to do anything but go 2 frames in and I find brood in all stages, and it looks okay to me. So hopefully this colony will rebound now, and my hope for this season was that it was going to make honey for me. That's why it was 3 boxes up, but unfortunately I missed it and it swarmed. Now here's a neat little thing. Last time I was in this colony, there was wonky comb and I cut it out. There was a big patch here. Look, they've already repaired it. This whole thing here is all brand new. So they will fix frames for you, and eventually they'll repair all this too, where it's not so drawn out well. But they're not over there yet. So it goes to show that they will repair comb for you here and there. So that is a happy finding. I am good with that. I'm going to close the box up, and one less concern. That's the happy part of this.